I've written down everything that the problem gives us. The cost, one bike's $250, one's $375. The total profit is $250. The store sold one of the bicycles for $450, so that's a revenue. And we want to figure out which of the following could be the store's gross profit. Store's gross profit for the sale of the other bike. All right, so we know that profit equals revenue minus cost. So let's look at total profit equals total revenue minus total cost. So total profit is $250. And total revenue for one bike is $450. And I'm going to let the revenue for the other bike be X plus X minus total cost, which is one cost is $250 plus $375. So solve this equation. $250 equals $450 plus X minus $625. That's $250 equals X minus $175. That's the difference between $450 and $625. And then $250 plus $175 is $425. So this $425 equals X. That's the revenue for the other bike. Revenue for the other bike. So then we know that, once again, profit equals revenue minus cost. We're trying to find the profit for the other bike. So my profit then will equal revenue, which we just found to be $425. Revenue for the other bike. $425 minus $250, or $425 minus $375. And $425 minus $250 is $175, and $425 minus $375 is $50. So our answer has to be $175.